Eating your supper, Sam? Yeah? Eat your supper. Good boy, Redford. Minnie? Everyone eating in harmony? Come on, buddy. Finish up. You almost finished it. Finish it up. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Redford, you already had yours. You already ate. Feed everybody else. Cherie, you ready to eat? Yeah? There you go, kitten. You in there? There she is. Hugo! Hugo, come on! Come down for supper! Hugo! Hugo! He didn't leave any extra for you. Nope, nope. Good girl, Minnie. Piggy. Piggy, you emptied your bowl. Let's find Hugo. Hugo! You eating your dinner, Conan? You good boy? Come on, Hugo! I know you hear me. Hugo! Come on, buddy. Come on, come get your supper. Come on, buddy. There's the old man. Get your suppers. Here, bud. There you go. Good boy. Hi, buddy. Alright, so that's supper time tonight. Right, guys? Is that everybody's supper time?